Okay, one of the apps that's going to be very useful to you when you're building your Google Slides is going to be Snip and Sketch. Now, if you're familiar with a snipping tool, Snip and Sketch is just a more updated model using Windows 10 and having the ability to write on your snips that you take. It's an updated version of the snipping tool. Now, both of which are located in your apps. So what you have to do here is go down to the lower left-hand corner and type SN, and it should find both of them. What you're going to do is you're going to want the snip and sketch. So just click on that. Now, what you're going to do here is you're going to see in the lower right-hand corner down here in your taskbar, it puts it there for a minute. You are going to want to put it there permanently so you can use it all the time. So right click on it and say pin to taskbar. Once you do that, it'll be here all the time. Now, the nice thing about the snip and sketch is that you can have choices. This down arrow, you can snip it now, you can snip in 3 seconds, you can snip in 10 seconds. So let's say I want to snip now. I'm going to hit snip now. You have your choices like you used to: rectangle, freeform, window snip, or full screen snip. What this means is you can take a screenshot of any website, any slide, anything, anytime, anywhere on your computer. So let me show you the differences. So here I'm going to do the rectangular snip. And let's say I'm just going to grab this right here. So you just drag it to where you want it and then let it go. You have taken a snip. Now you can leave it like this. You can do a save as where it'll drop it to your desktop or to your files, or you can copy it. It'll copy it to your clipboard and then you can just paste it. But the second benefit of the snip and sketch is that you can write on it. You never used to be able to do this before with the snipping tool. So right here, you can use your pens to write on what you want. So I'm going to erase that. Or you can highlight words. Okay, there's a whole bunch of different things that you could do that you couldn't do before. You can crop the picture if you wanted, something along those lines. You can do pretty much, whatever you wanted. Okay, so then you're like, okay, yep, this is fine. So I did the cropping thing. Now, what you want to do here is I just want to do the whole copy paste. So I'm going to do the copy, close it because I'm done. And then I'll just click somewhere over here and do Control V. So these are the benefits of the snipping tool. You can use this anytime, anywhere to take a picture of something that you would like.